Talk about this tax on offshore labor, the HIRE Act, which was introduced in the Senate.
Which is interesting because when we were talking about all the tariffs months ago, I was like, how is it that you can only do products? You think you have to do labor too. It's kind of the same argument. You want to have jobs be in the United States. Like, why are they not tariffing labor? Well, they must have listened to the show and now they're going to try to do it.
And I think it came up because J.D. Vance was at some sort of event and criticized firms for, like tech firms, for offshoring U.S. jobs. And so that was the hint that maybe something would come of this. So this bill has been introduced in the Senate by Bernie Moreno. He's a Republican from Ohio, and it's called the Halting International Relocation of Employment Act, or HIRE Act, and it was introduced on September 5th, 2025. The proposed effective date, if it passed, would be January 1st, 2026. It would impose a 25% excise tax on all payments to foreign service providers, and it would also eliminate tax deductibility for outsourcing expenses. So that's a double hit, a 25% excise tax, and then no deduction for those payments. The combined impact would create an 85% cost increase for typical outsourcing arrangements. So my thought on this is, does offshoring lose its economic appeal? That would be the point of this bill. If your goal is to get firms to hire American workers and to not offshore the labor, then increasing the cost 85% might do it. Roughly, if you offshore to India, the rule of thumb that I've heard is roughly you can do it for about the third the cost as to do it here in the US.